Shot, give me the Macklemore haircut. They heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a bread suit. No king, no, I don't work for free. I smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple J. And that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm sitting at the meat and the road, eating church's wings. No emergencies. In the club. That's my cousin. Asian. That's my cousin. You got me full of club. That's my cousin. Like you know what's up. Red. All my Asian leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my Asian leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my Asian leaders, if you got it, let me see it. All my Asian leaders, if you got it, let me see it. Got it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt. I'ma need said God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back. Don't be dumb, gotta do it yourself. It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. I treat the beaters like a pussy and I eat it up and beat it up and leave a picture. You cannot compete with this. I'm moving in and out of traffic in the Cadillac. Wait, is that us on the radio? Wait, is that us on the radio? Always dreamed of back when I had peach fuzz. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's not. Me and chicken wings and onion rings. If you wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no proper strings. Oh, the company, we sucker free. I ain't tripping on what the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly. In the club. That's my cousin. Asian, show me love. That's my cousin. You got me full of club. That's my cousin. Like you know what's up. Red. And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand, let's have a blast, and remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Tonight's the night, am I right? Dance feels like a night for a party. My nature, so naughty. There's a knock on the door, it's the neighbors. Quick cock blocking, we're having a holdout. You hose down, don't let me pull my hose out, cause it's big. So many girls in here, where do I begin?
Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa et Albatraoz. C'est parti!
Charles.